Ho, ho, ho! Not quite yet, but Merry almost Christmas. We gotta get through our favorite time of year, which is Thanksgiving. Gobble, gobble! I'm ready for some turkey. Don't let the other turkey know that I said that. So, guys, today we are reviewing Christmas bulbs. So this is for your tree. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you what they look like. So it's almost like there's tinsel inside this bulb. So that is number one. They're definitely really nice. So can you guys see that tinsel inside there? And then you got one that looks like it's got glitter in it, like little flakes of glitter. Let's see, we got one that looks like it's solid glitter inside. One thing I'm noticing, they really shine, like they really stand out. Another one is, it looks like kind of like a string with balls on. So as you guys can see up close. But all of them are really nice though. I'm impressed. So, from the looks of it, it looks like you get 4 different kinds. And, yeah, they're all nice. It looks like you can remove them, so you could actually fill them with other stuff or put lights inside if you wanted to, because the tops are removable. But overall, very nice.